Hi everyone. In today's session, let's learn one more interesting formula, which people usually go to Google for this particular kind of things, but we can do the same in Excel, just like our translate function in our previous session we have discussed, right? So this function is called convert. So what does it do? Converting from one parameter to another. For example, meters is the unit of measurement, right? From meters to feet, if you want to convert, what we will usually do, we'll go to Google, some calculators will open, and then we'll convert the meters to feet or grams to kgs or Celsius to Fahrenheit, whatever it is. Like there are multiple units which we use in day-to-day usage, right? So if you want to convert from one to another, we can use this particular formula called convert. So how we can use this is equal to convert. So simple thing, what number you want to convert from which unit. So we have a lot of options over here. So we just need to select the unit which you want to convert. So here I want to convert meters. So I'll type M. Okay. And then the output which I want it in foot. So I'll select foot. It automatically converted 100 meters is equal to 328 foot. Next example is equal to convert. This I want to convert. So this is gram. So I can select first one is gram anyway. So I'm selecting that. And output I want it in kgs. Okay. So 1500 gram is equal to 1.5 kg. And similarly convert this. This is Celsius. So I'm selecting Celsius, degree Celsius. And output I want it in Fahrenheit. So if you notice this particular formula, we have multiple options, right? You can choose whatever you want, you can choose. There are n number of options available. And one more good thing is, for example, if you're selecting gram, okay, it will automatically narrow down the options because the two unit, if you're selecting G, the two unit should be something relevant to that. So that's why it's narrowing down the options. For example, if I select C, which is Celsius, it narrowed down and give me parameters related to the degrees, right? Fahrenheit, degree Celsius, degree Rankine, some whatever options we have. If you see something related to meters, it would give me something related to the miles, foot, inches, these things it gave. So it automatically suggests you, because if you select a wrong thing, for example, meters to grams, for example, by mistake, if you select, you won't get an output, right? So that's why it's automatically suggesting what output you might be looking for the given input. So I hope this helps. Thank you.